sector which was positive in trade during the session was the sugar sector, which was quite sweet. The sugar stocks were in focus on the back of government's notification over ethanol production. Let's go across to Ashesha to know more details on the space. Ashesha, over to you.
Well, yes, the entire sugar sector is in focus on the back of several news pieces that have come. Now, remember, government has removed all kind of restrictions on the usage of sugarcane syrup, juice, and B-heavy and C-heavy molasses that was used for production of ethanol. So, remember, last year, government had imposed restrictions to ensure availability of sugar in the domestic market. But now, all of these restrictions have been removed, and this is a now positive news flow for the entire sugar industry. Remember, for ethanol, the year begins on the 1st of November, and this notification will be applicable for the next ethanol year, which will begin on the 1st of November. So for now, all restrictions have been removed, and this will be a positive. Now, what led to this? One, of course, is a higher than above normal monsoon, and that is expected to aid sugar production next year. ISMA estimates suggest that this year sugar production stood at about 295 million tons, and that is expected to rise by about 18% next year to come in at 349 million tons. So on account of surge in sugar production that is expected to happen next year, government has preemptively taken this measure, and they've decided to remove all kind of restrictions on usage of sugarcane syrup, sugarcane, any kind of juice, and B-heavy and C-heavy molasses that is used for the production of ethanol. So yes, positive news flow that has come in.
Right, and we also caught up with Sri Renuka Sugars and Balrampur Chini and got their views on the same, isn't it?
As of last year also, there was actually no particular restriction on diversion of juice for making ethanol. But yes, definitely a welcome, clarification and ambiguity. But the main topic for us still remains, and I believe all sugar, I speak for all the sugar industry when I say this, but ethanol pricing is actually the point which is much more important and which needs to be declared sooner rather than later. So I think the inventory levels are pretty conservative. I think the government number is 5.5. I think that's under control. But now that there will be a bumper crop expected next year, we'll have to see how the diversion actually plays out. That will depend on definitely the ethanol pricing and sugar production. It seems, at least from Maharashtra and Karnataka,
they are now announcing it well in time that there will be no restrictions. So this actually reflects the confidence in the government, and hopefully it's going to be good for the sugar sector in the sense that the government might actually end up diverting more sugar towards ethanol, because sugar has got the right ecosystem in place. So sugar sector, I think it's good times for the sugar sector, hopefully. And if we go by what ISMA says, then the production is going to rebound big time, which is a fact. In fact, I was talking to our cane guys in Karnataka and Maharashtra, where our mills are. They also feel that anywhere between 15 to 18% increase compared to last year would be in the cane availability. That all goes well.